Did you know that the vast majority of creatures in the Amazon rainforest are insects? They account for 90% of all wildlife. In the Amazon jungle, the low trees and shrubs provide ideal shelter for a multitude of insect species. While the advantage of the tall canopy is receiving abundant sunlight, the undergrowth and the forest floor are dark and damp. The ground in the Amazon is often covered with decaying leaves and animal droppings, which in turn make the plants more lush. For entomologists, the Amazon forest floor is an excellent research environment. The diversity of insect species here has astonished scientists time and again. Every year, scientists and researchers identify hundreds of entirely new insect species, which is why it is very difficult to estimate the total number of insects living in this rainforest. Let's start with the leafcutter ants. We are looking at the earliest and most capable farmers in the world. They have been working hard here for over 50 million years, making humans look like latecomers. Many ant colonies can have up to 8 million individuals, making them one of the most dominant organisms in South America. The worker ants are responsible for finding food, fanning out far and wide. They can find their way back by leaving a pheromone trail, so potent that just 1 gram would be enough to create a trail circling the entire globe. They have evolved their bodies into production tools, like plows and shovels. They use these body parts to cut leaves with incredible efficiency. A tiny ant can carry a leaf weighing 20 times its body weight. They are creatures born to work. The ants drink the sap from the leaves for energy, but they do not eat the leaves themselves. They use these leaves to grow something else. Only the freshest, most succulent leaves are taken. Their strong jaws easily cut through cellulose. Once the cutting is done, they join the journey to carry their prize back to the nest. The leafcutter ants cultivate a special fungus garden deep within their nest, and they rely entirely on this fungus for food. Maintaining this garden is a paramount task for the survival of the entire colony. Only the queen ant can reproduce. She can lay thousands of eggs each day, most of which will become worker ants. Ants are true experts of the forest, and as long as the forests remain, they will continue to dominate. The Amazon is also home to many other arthropods. The Amazon currently has about 3,600 species of spiders. One of the representative spiders of this forest is the wolf spider. Zoologists believe that the wolf spider is an animal that appeared on Earth during the time of the dinosaurs. Today, there are over 800 species of wolf spiders distributed in many parts of the world. They are among the largest spiders in the world. The largest wolf spiders currently live in the Amazon rainforest, where there are spiders as large as a dinner plate. This large spider lives in burrows or on trees. While other spiders catch prey with webs, the wolf spider hunts by ambush and attack. The wolf spider often ambushes its prey at the entrance of its burrow. On its body are countless hairs with millions of sensory cells, allowing it to detect the presence of prey. Their sensitive hairs function as both olfactory and auditory organs. Thanks to these extremely sensitive hairs, the wolf spider can visualize the position and shape of its prey even before it appears. The wolf spider's diet consists mainly of insects, frogs, lizards, and even mice. The Amazon wolf spider is very large, which allows it to catch prey like mice and frogs. When it captures its prey, the wolf spider uses the claws at the tips of its legs to stab it. It also injects venom into the prey's body. The spider's venom not only causes the prey pain, but also causes the victim's body to quickly liquefy. When everything is done, the spider simply enjoys the liquid remains of its prey, leaving the ecosystem beneath the forest canopy. Let's visit a fish that has inspired many horror movies. No animal is more notorious than the piranha. Blood in the water sends them into a feeding frenzy. This red-bellied piranha can strip a monkey to the bone in an instant. Its jaw, lined with razor-sharp teeth, is designed to shear off bite-sized pieces of flesh. They are found everywhere in the Amazon River basin, from Colombia to Argentina. No bigger than a man's hand, its ferocity lies not in its size, but in its numbers. Piranhas travel in schools of about 100, and when they see prey, they attack en masse. These opportunistic hunters will devour anything that swims or falls into the water. Piranhas have a keen sense of hearing and smell. The sound of splashing, or the scent of blood, creates a chain reaction, and the whole school tears into the unfortunate victim with teeth sharp enough to bite through steel. Within minutes, the prey is history. It may be brutal, but many other fish also feed in large schools. It's a common survival tactic, but group living also brings competition when food is scarce. As a result, the big fish eat the small fish, a sight that reinforces the piranha's notorious brutality. However, humans still venture into these waters, turning the fearsome predator into prey. Fishermen have suffered attacks from large schools of piranhas. A bite from a netted fish can be serious. Its razor-sharp teeth can easily sever a finger. But their reputation as man-eaters is largely fictitious. Piranhas also eat seeds, plants, and carrion. Leaving the river full of vicious piranhas, we return to the flooded forests of the Amazon to visit a fish with the ability to hunt on the water's surface. Insects clinging to tree trunks are unaware that just below the calm water, death is ready to claim them. The arowana, over a meter long, is as agile as a monkey. In fact, they are also known as water monkeys. They usually hunt small fish, but during the high water season, arowanas also eat insects. They often lurk near the surface, scanning the branches above for prey. During the rainy season, the arowana lives in one world and hunts in another. The arowana has an unusual strategy to take advantage of the bounty the floodwaters bring. They try to hunt as many insects as possible before the dry season returns. More than 3,000 species of creatures are found throughout the waters of the Amazon. They are a food source for one of the rarest creatures, the unique pink Amazon River dolphin. They have a special, highly flexible neck that allows them to move their head from side to side. This adaptation allows them to navigate the tributaries and flooded areas of the Amazon forest, which are their favorite hunting grounds. Because their vision is very poor, these dolphins rely on an internal sonar system. These senses are not only dynamic, they also help them locate fast-moving prey. Ancient tribes considered the pink dolphin to be a sacred being with magical powers. Even today, in many areas, they are still revered. There are many predators among the fish of the Amazon, but none are as professional as this ancient fish. A mature arapaima can grow up to 3 meters long and weigh up to 200 kilograms. It is one of the largest freshwater fish in the world and a silent professional predator. It stalks unsuspecting prey and then lunges, grabbing it with astonishing speed. Nothing is safe from its massive mouth. Victims near the surface are sucked in with a rush of water and air. This ancient predator has survived for 100 million years. During this time, it has endured and survived many of Earth's changes, including the great shifts in the flow of the Amazon's rivers. Although the vast rainforest may evoke images of strange and potentially dangerous creatures, it is also home to a significant human population. The Amazon is home to approximately 21 million people, including about 50 isolated tribes that have not had contact with Western civilization. For these indigenous people, the Amazon and its wilderness are truly home. From the affectionate and warm to the truly bizarre, the Amazon has it all. The animals range from the strange to the familiar, each with its own unique style, coexisting in the Amazon rainforest.